Do you want crisp, fresh salad straight from your own home garden? In this video, we're growing romaine lettuce in simple containers, perfect for small spaces, balconies, or rooftops. It's easy and rewarding, and you'll love harvesting your own crunchy leaves in just a few weeks. Let's get growing. A mix of organic compost and coco-pit works best for the seed germination. It is light, well-drained, and retains moisture for the seed germination. Sow 2 to 3 seeds per cell. Cover with a thin layer of potting mix. Gently tap the soil surface for good seed to soil contact. Water with a spray bottle. The seeds germinate rather quickly and soon produce true leaves. Transplant the seedlings to bigger containers. A 10 inches wide and 12 inches deep pots are suitable. Cover the drainage holes with some dried leaves to prevent the potting soil leaking through the holes. Fill the pot, leaving a couple of inches from the top. Gently squeeze the seedlings at the bottom and pick them out. Water well after transplant. Keep the plants in partial shade for a couple of days after transplant. They need 6 to 8 hours of sunlight to grow well. A balanced fertilizer helps them grow healthy. Water well after adding fertilizer. Water whenever the soil surface feels dry. The mature outermost leaves can be harvested from time to time. Keep the soil loose by gentle digging of the soil surface away from the plant. The outer leaves are harvested first by gently turning them at their base. The whole plant can be harvested by cutting the stem just above the soil surface. Enjoy your very own homegrown Romaine lettuce. Thanks for watching. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Goodbye for now.